Artificial neural networks, or ANNs, are like the superheroes of machine learning. They can tackle any kind of tabular dataset, even those fancy Excel sheets. Bar chart flex biceps. Regression? Classification? No problemo. ANNs can handle it all. Direct hit whether you're predicting house prices or classifying spam emails, ANNs got your back. They're versatile like that. House envelope. But what makes ANNs so special? Well, they're inspired by the human brain with layers of interconnected neurons that process information. Each neuron takes inputs, applies weights, and passes the result to the next layer. It's like a digital brain working its magic. Glowing star. And the best part? ANNs learn from data. They adjust those weights through a process called backpropagation, getting smarter and more accurate with each iteration. It's like they're constantly leveling up. Chart increasing fire. So if you're ready to dive into the world of machine learning and solve some wicked regression and classification tasks, give ANNs a try. They're the ultimate problem solvers, ready to crunch those numbers and make sense of your data. Nerd face laptop computer. Remember, with ANNs, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, unleash the power of artificial neural networks and conquer the world of machine learning. Globe with Meridian's collision.